What's up, guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another cleaning motivational video. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my kids' bathroom slash guest bathroom. This is one of our bathrooms that's always getting dirty real fast. I clean this like about 2 to 3 times per week, and it still ends up getting dirty. Like, come on, guys. So we're starting off with the tub area and getting that shower wall with that Ajax bleach powder and that Dawn dish soap. Y'all, don't sleep on the Dawn dish soap. That thing can clean. After I'm done with the tub, we're moving on to the toilet area. And for my toilet, I'm using the Lysol multi-surface spray, and then I'm going to wipe that down, and then I'm going in with the Clorox toilet wand. I recently bought this and I love it, and I'm going to use the cleansing gel for the inside of the toilet, and then I'm going to use my steam cleaner to just disinfect it again. After I'm done with the toilet area, I'm moving on to the sink. The sink area is one of our areas that gets dirty quick because the kids brush their teeth there. And I don't know why I drew a money sign on the mirror, y'all. I guess I was thinking about money. After that, I'm going to mop the floors. I had to replace the shower liner, and voila, everything looks clean and tidy. Please subscribe and like for more.